In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link on Jotform. If you've ever wanted to include clickable links in your forms, whether for resources, your website, or anything else, then this guide is for you. We'll go step by step so you can easily follow along. Let's dive in. First off, let's head over to Jotform's website. Jotform is an incredible tool for creating online forms for a variety of purposes, from surveys to event registrations. Once you're on their homepage, the next step is to log in to your account. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the page and click on it. If you've linked your Jotform account to your Google account or another platform, select the corresponding option to proceed with a faster login process. After logging in, you'll be brought to your dashboard where all your forms are displayed under My Forms. Here you'll find all the forms you've created. Browse through your list and select the form you want to edit by clicking on Edit Form. This will take you to the form builder where you can make modifications to your form. Now for the part where we add a link, look for the Add Element button once you're in the form builder. This button is usually located on the left-hand side of your screen. Jotform has a variety of elements that you can add to your form, but for adding links, we'll focus on the paragraph element. Click on paragraph to add it to your form. After adding the paragraph element, it will prompt you with a default text saying, "Click to edit this text." Click on it to start editing. You'll notice a text editing toolbar appears at the top of the text area. This toolbar holds various options for formatting your text, but most importantly it includes the link icon, which looks like a chain link. Click on this icon to proceed with adding your link. A new window will pop up asking you to type or paste your link. Go ahead and enter the URL you wish to link to in your form. After you've entered the URL, click on OK to finalize adding the link to your paragraph. You've now successfully embedded a link into your form. The last step is crucial. Don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button in the form builder and click on it. This ensures all your edits are updated and applied to your form. To summarize, adding a link to your Jotform begins by logging into your Jotform account and selecting the form you want to edit. Then by adding a paragraph element and clicking to edit it, you can insert your desired link using the link icon in the text editor toolbar. Finish by clicking OK and saving your form to apply the changes. Here are a few additional tips to make the most out of your links in Jotform. Use clear and relevant link text so your form respondents know where the link will take them. You might also want to customize the appearance of your link using the text formatting options to make it stand out or blend in with your form's design. Remember to test your form after adding links to ensure everything works as expected. Adding links to your Jotform forms can significantly enhance the functionality and user experience of your forms. Whether you're guiding respondents to additional resources, your organization's website, or a specific call to action, mastering how to insert links is a useful skill. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to add a link to a Jotform form. Thanks for following along. With these simple steps, you're now equipped to enrich your forms with useful links effortlessly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy form building!